Good evening. 200 or more people gathered in front of the Sanford Medical Center today to protest mandatory COVID-19 vaccinations at workplaces.
Well, last week, Sanford Health announced all employees will be required to get the vaccine by November 1st. KELOLAND's Lauren Solik covered today's protest in the rain.
Along 18th Street and Grange Avenue this afternoon, messages promoting medical freedom and discouraging the COVID-19 vaccine could be seen and heard from protesters.
I don't agree with being forced to take an injection which is not FDA approved and which has had documented deaths from just the vaccine, plus a lot of additional adverse reactions from the vaccines.
We believe that, like I said, that the debate has not been debated, the effectiveness of the vaccine or the safety of the vaccine. It's an emergency use authorization product, okay? It's not even a vaccine according to the official definition of a vaccine.
Dr. Mike Wilde, the Vice President Medical Officer of Sanford Health in Sioux Falls, says 95% of Sanford's physicians have already made the choice to get vaccinated against COVID-19.
We certainly can respectfully disagree. However, as you look at the science that's out there, and just in excess of 100 million vaccines given and the safety around those, we can very confidently support the safety and effectiveness of the vaccine.
Protesters got support from cars passing by and honking while some Sanford employees watched from across the street.
If a business, Sanford, a business, can do what the state cannot do, we're screwed. You know, we have to say this is far enough.
And so if you insist that people have the vaccine and then they leave, they're taking their training and their information away from your institution.
Wilde says Sanford Health made its decision because they strongly believe the vaccine is what will keep both their employees and their patients safe.
What we saw during the surge of the pandemic is that us as caregivers are human as well, and we can get affected by this virus. And so we need to be there for the people that we serve. And as variants continue, as this pandemic continues, we need to be there. And vaccination is a great way to keep us well, healthy, and able to serve the community that comes to us.
In Sioux Falls, Lauren Solik, KELOLAND News.
Okay, now let's get you the facts. The FDA has authorized all 3 COVID-19 vaccines for emergency use. The CDC is tracking adverse effects of those who have been vaccinated. Of the more than 340 million doses that have been administered since December, there were about 6,300 reports of deaths in people who received the COVID-19 vaccine. Sanford employees are also required to get the flu shot every year. However, they can get medical or religious exemptions for any vaccinations, including COVID-19.